Secondly, IMIB is used in the field of diagnostics for electric and non-electric vehicles and fully meets all requirements of modern diagnostic systems. Typical application scenarios include conventional vehicle measurement methods, such as voltage and current measurement, resistance and diode testing, oscilloscope measurements, as well as BMW-specific measurement procedures. In this training program, these functions will be explained in more detail. IMIB supports a wide range of connection options. Hover the mouse pointer over the highlighted interface to obtain further information. The IMIB R2 unit itself consists of a battery-powered PC with a touchscreen display and a dedicated measurement module. It is equipped with a 64GB SSD, 2 USB ports, wireless networking capability, and Bluetooth connectivity. IMIB is supplied with a rechargeable battery, power supply unit, and stylus. The lithium-ion battery provides a continuous operating time of approximately 2 hours. The accessories set in the IMIB reference sensor kit are shown here. This kit includes special components designed for everyday use in a workshop environment. Click on the corresponding sensor to obtain detailed information. If you are already familiar with these sensors, this section may be skipped. The low-pressure hoses are oil-resistant and can be used, for example, for synchronous measurements. The 180 pressure sensor is primarily used to measure air pressure, hydraulic system pressure, fuel tank pressure, exhaust system pressure, tank pressure control systems, and to check the tightness of the cooling circuit. The pressure sensor is connected to the IMIB via an OX cable. Item number 2 is the excitation cable set, which is used to transmit excitation signals. The measured pulse is recorded before the trigger point and can then be displayed graphically using the oscilloscope for analysis. The temperature sensor is equipped with a 0.8 meter steel spring and is protected by a Teflon heat shrink tube. It is mainly used to measure air, oil, and coolant temperatures. For measuring quiescent current and other current parameters, a 100 ampere inductive current clamp is used. Since the device is equipped with a demagnetization function, the influence of the Earth's magnetic field on the measurement results is practically eliminated, ensuring high measurement accuracy. 2 sets of measurement leads are used for voltage, current, resistance, and diode measurements. The high-voltage probe is designed to determine the ignition voltage amplitude based on the ignition voltage curve. The aux cable is used to connect the interface between the IMIB R2 pressure sensor and the color-coded measuring sensors. In principle, IMIB supports 2 operating modes, trigger start and remote start. In standalone mode, IMIB R2 can operate independently without a connection to TA and can be controlled via the touchscreen or keyboard. Standalone mode means that the location does not affect the operation of the measurement system, making it suitable for driving diagnostics, initial inspections, and measurements. In remote operation mode, IMIB R2 operates with a TA connection. In this case, the operator controls IMIB R2 via TA and can connect through a local area network LAN or WLAN. After establishing an LAN or WLAN connection, press the highlighted button. The measurement system will select IMIB R2 in the connection manager and confirm the selected device. Then click on the highlighted icon. In this training program, the newly connected IMIB R2 is used as an example for quiescent current measurement. When connecting, the operator first receives instructions on how to prepare and perform the quiescent current test. The multimeter function is always displayed first. The oscilloscope function is activated using the corresponding button. In oscilloscope mode, first select the sensor and measured values, then switch to logarithmic display for quiescent current measurement. In logarithmic display mode, the current values are easier to read. Record the measured value using the record button. After recording the quiescent current over a defined period, the signal waveform can be compressed using the compression function to clearly determine whether the IMIB parameter meets the specified requirements. Next, perform the measurement within the diagnostic process. You will then receive corresponding instructions on the practical use of the measurement system. If required, information on any special tools will also be provided. In this training program, an in-vehicle test is used as an example. When calling up the test procedure via the wireless network, the operator selects IMIB R2. In such cases, The measured value from IMIB R2 is a mandatory prerequisite for generating a diagnostic code applicable to warranty diagnostics. Connect and save IMIB R2 via the Connection Manager. If required, the operator can access detailed program information. The IMIB R2 measurement results are graphically adjusted and displayed in the test module, and the measured values are automatically integrated into the program. This significantly simplifies the diagnostic workflow and is essential for generating a warranty-related diagnostic code. The oscilloscope is one of the most important tools for troubleshooting modern vehicles. It allows direct, distortion-free measurement of the relevant signal types and enables precise identification of the root cause of a fault. The 4-channel oscilloscope of the IMIB R2 fully meets these requirements. Various oscilloscope interface buttons are shown here. Hover the mouse pointer over the highlighted button to obtain further information. Oscilloscope measurement itself is straightforward and intuitive. Press the highlighted button to start the measurement.